How to delete Pinterest messages. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, just to let you know, there is no built-in feature in Pinterest that you can delete the messages for, but you can definitely hide your conversation. First of all, open the Pinterest app on a mobile device or go to the Pinterest website on a computer and make sure you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now, once inside the Pinterest, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom and go to your messages. Now, once inside the messages, in your inbox, find the conversation you want to delete or hide. Tap on the conversation to open it. We can scroll down and look for the conversation as well. So obviously, currently Pinterest does not allow users to delete individual messages within a conversation. Now, in order to remove this conversation, tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be navigated to some options available on your screen. From those options, tap on the hide conversation option available there and confirm the hide. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.